Come into my factory. So what we got right here, I have some wheels of excavator right here. I done stick welding on them because there was so worn out to no sense to use them, and then I weld them up, and then later on late I will find this surface. So, but not for this is a story. So what we see right here, I would like to say, and this is a shaft from here. I would like to say one thing. Here shit hit the fan, and I must to fix up this mess. I got material, I got the bearings. These bearings I set into here, and those bearings I would like to set right here. So, but before I set these pieces into the lathe, I must them work by my angle grinder around like so, to shape edges do not break off cutting tool inserts, and you know. So let's do something.